Hey guys, welcome to the channel first drone video and welcome back to Raymore Reviews. As you know, I'm Rush, Discover Boss, and today I'm going to take you guys on a drone video. We're on the property of Royalton Blue Waters, Montego Bay, so we'll be going out with the drone. So if you guys are new to the channel, you know the routine. Subscribing is free, so subscribe. Remember to like, remember to comment and share as well, because all of that helps the channel. In terms of the drone for the channel, it's something that we've been working on for a while here on the channel, and we've finally gotten a drone thanks to you guys. I know a lot of persons donated financially, and even one of the subscriber, he came forward and he finalized the purchase and even helped with shipment. He knows himself, and big thank you to you. Other persons would have helped in other ways, maybe liking a video, sharing a video, commenting a video, or just watching a video with an ad. So I appreciate all you guys. But today's main topic is our first drone video. So I'm going to take you guys on the property. We get some shots from up in the air, some eagle eye shots as I like to call them, and we can see some nice scenes. And the other thing as well, guys, I did two other videos. One was the complete property tour, that was a walk-in video, and then a room tour, so you guys can check out those videos as well. And what I forgot to do is to do the rating for the property. Let's call it the Rush Review 4P rating. So I guess the first P is price, and value. So I think for that one, the price is on par with what you're getting. It's all inclusive. It's marketed as a 5-star hotel, Royalton Blue Waters, and the facility is nice. So value for money is really nice. So that's the price. So I would give that a 9.5 out of 10. I don't believe in perfect because there must be some room for improvement. The other thing, pleasures. So for pleasures, what I would include. So for pleasures, what that category would include, I would say it's the beauty of the property. It would include the food. It would include just the decor, the aesthetics. It would include food, recreation activities, entertainment activity. I think that is on par as well. Throughout the day they have different sport activities, water sports, game for guests. So for that category, I would also give them a 9.5 out of 10 as well. And then from pleasures, would also have, when it comes people. So when it comes to that category, people, I think that would include like the staff, the friendliness, waiting time when you go to certain a la carte restaurants, just how pleasant, courteous the staff are. Don't have any problem there. So I'd also say a 9.5 out of 10. And then the final P is promote. Would I promote the property? Would I tell you guys to think about coming here for a vacation, family vacation, honeymoon, probably first time coming to Jamaica? Yes, I would definitely promote it. It's a very nice property, a very lovely hotel, and I also give that category 9.5 out of 10. So all four category, 9.5 overall. I give the hotel 9.5. So overall, all four category 9.5, I would say the 9.5 is the overall score. So stay tuned and also check out my new Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica. Basically, we don't have any followers, guys. So go and follow. Let's try to bring the following to 6,000 subs, similar to what's on this YouTube channel. And let's go have some fun with the drone. So let's take a fly outside. Hey guys, so that was it. That was drone video number 1 via the Rush Raymore Reviews channel. And for you guys that stay to the end, I have a bonus clip for you. It's the unboxing of the drone. So I'm putting that clip right here at the end. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for clicking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. Thank you so much. And probably persons were wondering why I didn't fly the drone lower. But the hotel had a few restrictions when it comes to the drone. So I couldn't get as low as this to get better shots. But as time go by, I'm promising you guys that, the videos will be getting better and better. So today, I guess today I can say today was my certification as a drone pilot. And with practice, I'm sure I'll get even better. So thanks for watching, guys. And see you on another drone video. And check out the unboxing at the end. DJI Mavic Air 2. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Rush Raymore Reviews-JA. Thank you, guys. This is it. Just wanted to share this unboxing video with you guys. The channel now has a drone, the DJI Mavic Air 2. This is the Fly More combo. So you have the carry case, you have the extra batteries, controller, propeller, and the drone as well. And again, can't say it enough, want to really thank you guys for all the support. From 1 subscriber to where we are now, heading to 10,000. And for each person that clicked on a video, watch an ad, share the video, like the video, commented on a video, really appreciate it. And there are persons who donated in a monetary way to the channel as well that made this drone possible. Want to give you guys a big thanks as well. So it's the unboxing of the drone for Rush Raymore Reviews channel. So let's get into the box. Alright, so this is the case to carry. Alright, so this is the carry case for transportation. Alright, so this is the bad boy. So it takes pictures at 48 megapixel and 4K videos. So really excited for some of the awesome drone videos to come to the channel. I know you guys are excited too. We've been waiting on a drone for the longest time. And again, thanks to everyone that supported in their own way. And then this is the controller. Alright, so you'd connect your phone to the DJI controller. So again, it's the DJI Mavic Air 2. And then the other things in the box is now like the extra battery, charging hubs, different cable, stuff like that. This one comes with 3 battery. Each battery should have 30 minutes flight time based on the weather. So again, guys, thanks for the support. From 0 subscribers to where we are now, heading to 10,000. Really appreciate it, guys. So stay tuned, and I'm excited as you guys are to see some of the great videos to come.